a transactional relationship with a salesman. The salesman's going to fit your unique solution into something that's on their line card in order to sell you. Yep. Now, if I'm a sales guy and I have access to built up single ply coating and mastic, okay, if you can't afford or you don't like single ply, guess what? I can sell you built up. Or if you don't need that, I'm going to sell you this, or I'm going to sell you this. But I've never met a sales guy or a roofer in my entire life that didn't have a solution to your problem. It didn't matter what the cost was. But most of the industry, from the manufacturer that makes the material to the contractor to the consultant and whatnot, is going to share literature with a customer with the intention of, oh, this has got a 30, 40, whatever warranty to it. It's all based on the illusion of trust. Trust me, I've been in business for 20 years. I'm doing you the best service, and what we're going to do is going to work. And that's all of the transaction is based on the word trust me.